Welcome to our Kontentino tutorial on the Time Savers feature. Time Savers allows you to handle multiple posts simultaneously. This functionality is especially handy for teams looking to enhance productivity and streamline their content management. There are two ways how you can work with Time Savers. The first one is by clicking on a Time Savers button in the top left corner of your screen, selecting the action, and then picking the posts you'd like to work with. The second way is to select the posts in the calendar first. Don't forget about the option to select all posts. Continue with Time Savers, choose the action, and finish it based on the requirements. The first action in Time Savers is duplication. It's ideal for replicating an entire campaign or larger batch of posts to another profile. Once the posts are selected, pick the profiles you'd like to duplicate the posts to. In case you'd like to keep the status or save the duplicates as drafts, press Confirm. If you use Time Savers inside a profile group, Kontentino automatically pre-selects the profiles in the profile group. This way, we're saving you from additional clicks and it adds another layer of efficiency. If you created posts on the wrong profile by mistake, don't worry. For such cases, we have a Move option. This action helps you easily move posts to a different profile. Just select the posts, pick their new destination, and press Confirm. The third action is to change the post status. Here, you can update the status of multiple posts at once to keep your content calendar up to date. Be mindful that manual changes won't trigger notifications to team members, so communicate any major updates separately. Another action is to assign tasks. The added bonus here is that the assignee gets only a single notification with all the tasks included, meaning you're not spamming your colleagues. The same applies to the Send for Approval actions, internal and client. It's a very efficient way to notify your manager or client with one email, where all the posts for feedback are included. The last action is to bulk schedule. This allows you to schedule several posts at once without having to click the Schedule button in each separate post. And that's it. Thank you for watching and happy time saving.